Hello guys, welcome to DevMaster Hub. Today we're gonna continue with the freeCodeCamp responsive web design series. Learn HTML by building the cat photo app. So today we're gonna start with the step 21st to the step 30th. So please consider subscribe to the channel so you ring the bell notification in order to do not miss any of our videos from this series. Okay, so guys, let's get to it. When you add a lower rank heading element to the page, it's implied that you're starting a new subsection. After the last H2 element of the second section element, add an H3 element with the text things cats love and colon. So I'm gonna add the H3 avec the text things, okay, cats, okay, love. So colon h3. Okay, so now I say things cats love. I check it. Good. So now let's go. We're gonna go to the 22nd. To create an unordered list of item, you can use the UL element. After the h3 element with the things cats love text, add an unordered list. Note that nothing will display to the page at this point. So here I can add an unordered list. Okay, here check it. Nothing is displayed at this point. So now the li element used to create a list of a list item and ordered or unordered list. Here's an example of list item and unordered list. Unordered list li milk, li cheese. So within the UL element nest three list item to display three things cat love. Okay, now I'm gonna nest three list item li. The first thing cat love is cat night. Okay, so the li is good now. The second thing is laser pointer. Laser pointer. Okay. The third thing cats love is lasagna. The lasagna. Okay. Laser pointers. Catnip, laser pointers, lasagna, lasagna. Okay. Yeah, I check it. Now let's go to step 24. After the unordered list, add a new image with the source attribute value set to the link and an alt attribute value set to a slice of lasagna on a plate. So after that, I'm gonna add a img tag. So the img tag, we're gonna have a source. The source gonna be the link we have here. So the link here, we're gonna copy it and I put the link here, and after the link we have the alt attribute with a slice of lasagna on a plate. Okay, so now we should see the image here. Everything's alright. The 25th, the figure element represents self-contained content and will allow you to associate an image with a caption. Next, the image you just added within figure element. So I can nest the image here within the figure element. Okay, and after that, if I go here, I can do that and nest the figure back right here. Okay, now check the code. Okay, good. The step 26 says that a fig caption element is used to add caption to describe the image content with the figure element. Here's an example of fig caption element with the caption of a cute cat. Cute cat figure. Okay, so they say now to add uh, after the image nest and the figure element, add a fig caption element with the text set to cats love lasagna. Right here I can say fig caption, the fig caption gonna say the fig caption supposed to say cat love lasagna. Okay, here cats love lasagna, the fig caption here I'm supposed to put the G and good. Okay, let's go for step 27. To place emphasis on a specific word or phrase, you can use the EM element. Emphasize the word love in the fig caption element by wrapping it in an emphasis EM element. So here I can say I can put EM right here, and after love I'm gonna close it. So EM, that's mean love is gonna be an italic. So good. So now the 28th, the unit 8 says after the fig element add another h3 element with the text top three things cat hate. Add another h3. So I'm gonna add another h3 element to write the text top three things cats hate. Okay, so the one here is top three things cat hate. So the 29th is the code for a ordered list OL is similar to an unordered list, but list item and unordered list are numbered when displayed. After the second section, element last h3 element, add an ordered list with these three list item. Okay, after this h3, so I'm gonna add an ordered list. Okay, so now the li are gonna be there. The first thing is flea treatment. Flea treatment. Okay, now the second li is gonna be thunder. Okay, so I'm gonna put it inside the li right now. Now the third li is gonna be order cats. Okay, so order cats. Okay, order cats. Okay, so now I can check the code. It says the ordered list. You should have 3 li. Yeah, I have 3 li within the text flea treatment. This text is good. Thunder is good. Order cats. So I supposed to put S. Okay, here it should be good. Now the last one is the 30th. After the ordered list, add a figure element. So after the ordered list, it's telling me to add a figure element. So the figure element I'm gonna add is this one. Figure element. Okay. Yes. So the figure element it's already been there. So now we stop here. We gonna for the next video we're gonna start from the 2031 to the 40th. So thank you very much for watching. So please consider to subscribe to the channel. So hit the bell notification in order to be notified for any video that we put out in this series. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.